Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Let me discuss today a very interesting case, a simple case of cough. There was a boy aged about 26 years of age and he developed cough. He used to cough and that was for about 4 to 5 months. 4 to 5 months duration. He had taken a lot of antibiotics, he had taken a lot of cough syrups, he had tried a lot of homeopathy medicines also. But till he used to take medicine, cough used to be better. जब दवाई बंद किया, again the cough starts. So a very simple case of cough, but not responding to treatment. That's why the importance of homeopathy comes here. You must ask the patient, how did the cough start? Of course, definitely when the cough symptom starts, we ask symptoms. How is the expectoration? Whether the cough is dry, how is the character of expectoration, the taste of expectoration, when is the expectoration. But my friends, always remember, if you can trace how did the cough start in your history, that also becomes a very important prescribing symptom that you will understand from this case. So the patient had cough and the cough was from a long time, 5 to 6 months. I asked him कि आपको खांसी कैसी आती है? He told me the taste रहती है, खांसी का टेस्ट रहता है, बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन रहता है, वो बहुत नमक के समान रहता है, और सॉल्टी एक्सपेक्टोरेशन, और सिर्फ मुझे सवेरे ही ऐसा होता है. मतलब जब भी मैं खांसता हूँ सवेरे, तो खांसने का टेस्ट मुझे नमक के समान आता है सिर्फ सवेरे. Now whenever you have this salty expectoration in the morning, you must remember few drugs so that you can differentiate these drugs from what you want to prescribe. The first drug is Pulsatilla, second is Sepia, and third is Acid Phos. I asked him, expectoration salty but कैसा निकलता है? How is the expectoration? And he was very precise in answering. That is, expectoration is ऐसी अपन बॉल लेते हैं ना, बॉल बोले, जो अपने छोटे से बॉल के समान एक्सपेक्टेशन रहता है. एंड ही वॉज टेक कंचे रहता है, कंचे बोले जब सब खेलने के, वो वाइट रहता है ना, उसके समान मेरा थूक निकलता है. सो मच प्रिसाइज इन आंसरिंग. सो एक्सपेक्टेशन वॉज शेप्स ऑफ अ बॉल एंड ही वॉज कोरिलेटिंग दैट टू द कंचा मार्बल्स एज वी से. दीज वर द सिम्टम्स. सो आई आस्क्ड हिम, कफ होने के पहले आपको पता पड़ता है कफ हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा? डू यू फील दैट द कफ इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट? एनी सिम्टम? एंड ही सेड यस सर. ऐसे गले में मुझे गुदगुदी समान होती है, ऐसे गले में गुदगुदी समान होती है, मैं कभी बातें करता हूँ तब भी खांसी आती है. दैट मीन्स द पेशेंट वाज टेलिंग दैट इज कफ tickling on talking. Tickling. Again, if you have this symptom, you must remember 2-3 remedies. Of course, first is phosphorus, second is acid phos. That you must remember, cough, tickling on talking. जब भी मैं खांसता हूँ या बातें करता हूँ तो टिकलिंग होता है, मेरे को ऐसे गुदगुदी समान लगता है. एंड ऐसे पूरे ऐसी ये पूरे पैसेज रहता है, यहाँ पे पूरा ऐसी इरिटेशन लगता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है, ऐसी अनईजी लगता है खांसने के टाइम पे. मुझे पेट तक पूरा ऐसे लगता है पूरा खांसने के टाइम पे. These were the symptoms of the patient. Now I asked, शुरू कैसे हुआ? How did it start? सडनली शुरू नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन नहीं सर, वो सडनली एक दिन शुरू होकर खांसी आना बोले मेरे को. Then I asked him, tell me something more. How did it start? And he said, no sir, my life was absolutely okay. I had an affair with a girl and it broke up, and that's all. And then I asked him, जब आपका अफेयर ब्रेक हुआ और खांसी आई, कितना टाइम था? बोले सर, अफेयर ब्रेक और खांसी में हार्डली एक आधी हफ्ते का फर्क था. बोले अफेयर जब ब्रेक हुआ उसके एक हफ्ते बाद से मुझे खांसी शुरू हो गई. एंड नाउ माई फ्रेंड्स, द रेमेडी क्लिक्ड इन माई माइंड. एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम, कितने साल से अफेयर था? ही सेड अबाउट 3 to 4 years. And that was a cause of grief in his life. So I immediately opened the repertory and searched cough from grief. And the remedy, you must have also guessed it right, that is acid phos. Such a beautiful writing is there in a Matermedica, cough from grief. In fact, if you go further and read the respiratory tract, it is written, respiration difficult from disappointed love. See, simple case of cough, such a grave symptom, such a grave mental cause it had. Disappointed love, grief. In fact, one more symptom it is written in acid force, that is dry cough from disappointed love. If you add this symptom, that is respiration difficult from disappointed love, dry cough from disappointed love, cough from grief, tickling in the throat because of cough, and that the irritation of air passage till the epigastrium with salty taste like shapes of balls, the whole drug picture comes in your mind, and this whole drug picture indicates phosphoric acid, that is acid phos. I had no doubt in my mind. First day only I gave him acid phos 1 ml single dose, and I called him after 15 days, and the patient was so happy that for the first time in one day the remedy worked. Acid phos 1 day I gave in the morning, and the next day the cough, he started feeling better. In fact, he said that I am feeling happiness now. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, खांसी तो ठीक और अच्छा भी लग रहा है. That अच्छा लग रहा है is we have touched that mental level of disappointed love. The grief also we have touched, and automatically the cough is better. This is how homeopathy works like magic. But if you can get the root cause of disease, why did the disease start? How did the disease start? And then you prescribe, it works in single dose. I did not repeat acid phos 1 ml in that patient. In about 2 months time, everything was cured. He started getting that sense of well-being, the happiness in life and desire to work, which he has lost because of that disappointment. So this is acid phos for you, my dear friends. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.